Hi, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm going to unbox uh, a Volt 476 USB audio interface. It has a built-in classic analog tone shaping and a compression. The classic 1176 compression. So this is the box that it came in with. All the scriptures, some photos, included software. By the way, it has this one came with the bundled software. It's free, worth over $400, but I think you have to register and download the software by the end of March, I believe, of this year. So this is the box that it came in with, and we're going to cut the seal. And other side. There you go. Hopefully. And ooh, let's open this up. Nice packaging. Look at that. What I really like about this interface is the wood grain on the side, the wood design. It's a small one. Look at that, so beautiful. Nice, so simple, so compact. And here are the in and outs. It has two gain knobs. This by the way, a 24-bit, audio capture. It has two preamps and another two lines without gain, and it has one headphone and then for volume. Sweet, these are nice. And this is what came in the box, and then let's see what we have in here. There's more box. Inside another box is the power plug conversion. So whatever state you're in or location in the world, it has this USB-C and USB-A cable and a power adapter. Boom. And some reading materials if you're into that, but more often than not, a lot of people just go to online to how to set up stuff. And there's some warranties, and then it's good that you have all this, but still, like, you just go to their website, and then they also have this reading materials, packaging, like quick start guide and whatnot. I think that's all in the box. All right, that's all in the box. All right, guys, I think I'm just gonna have to set this up, play around with it, and see what I could come up with. Thank you for watching.